There you go. Invite everyone. Good morning. Welcome to the New York session live stream again. Back here. Just came back after a little break because I had surgery done. Welcome again. Fit up. Zoom here. There we go. Good morning. Some people slowly coming in. Hi Connie, is everything good? Hey Stevie. Should be good. There you go. This week isn't that crazy with news, so only on a Friday, so I'm very happy about that. We can probably trade Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday pretty well without being interrupted. So yeah, should be good. Refresh that one more time. Yeah, probably unemployment claims on Thursday, but that's in the New York session. Rest of the days should be pretty good. Yen holiday on a Friday. Doesn't really matter because we only trade the pound anyways in our sessions. So that's only gonna be better sometimes because it's only gonna literally be moved by the pound. So yeah, it should be good. Friday is pretty crazy though. PMI. Also D30 is gonna move. Good morning, Luke. How are you doing today? Still the same. I'm doing okay, but just a little pain. How slow this is moving down. Like this was the initial move and now we're slowing down. Like it seems like we're gonna reverse back up to 1810, like for real. What I said before, 1810, maybe one pull down and then continue back up. But look at this 30-minute. There's no volume right now. Volume is dead. Especially bearish momentum is dying down, so for the people that are in buys, I think it should be good. I was really thinking about getting in, but I'm really gonna be specific for my entry on the New York session because I already made some profit today. It's Monday at the end of the day. Pound yen made a nice pullback. Very nice pullback. Go to the 4-hour, close below. I would want to see one deeper pull really into that 151 level. We touched 930. I want to see 151.60 get tapped. Also, if we go to the 4-hour, that's going to be a pretty good retest zone. It already sort of retested this area right here to the left, right? But I want to really retest the most recent support. Put it on the camera for a second. Forgot that. Any trades today? Look, yeah, I took a buy on gold like real quick. 1805.4. Closed it at 1805. 1806.6. 1806.4. I mean, okay, now just 9-10 pips around that. Really quick was just I saw the 5 minute and all the other time frames, they were having a hard time going further down. So I was like, let me take a quick 10 pips here, in and out, which worked out at the end of the day, so it was pretty good. Was a little risk, but it was all good. I mean, when you see structure happening and you know certain pullbacks are going to happen at certain times, because you know, if you see gold drop, how many times do you see gold do like a little pullback of 10 around 10, 15, 20 pips? So I was like, yeah, let me grab a quick trade, in and out, like close full position. That was pretty good. Why did you stop putting trades on the wall? We need that back. Yeah, but this was in, first of all, in London session, I didn't call it out, Arseny. Like, it was really random. Crypto miner, you could just take a couple micro lots, nothing crazy, just to be in the trade. Yeah, could do. But I don't like test trades, crypto miner. But I used to do back in the day, test trades. If I want to be in a trade, I want to be in a trade, right? No halfway, go all in or all out. I don't know. You know what I mean. You know what I mean, probably. Thoughts on self is the current 30-minute and breaks a 30-minute low. Yeah, range-wise, 17 pips. Could do. Look at a 15. Yeah, it's an okay sell, but make sure you had break even at 10 pips straight away at 400. If you do that, keep in mind you're selling the low, so you need to go to break even as fast as possible, Hans. Otherwise, you can hurt yourself pretty badly. So get like 5, 6 pips, go to break even, and whatever happens to the position happens. Because if you look on how we dropped already, right, Hans? If we look on how we dropped already, this is since the open, right? Open since today, open till to here. Go all the way down. It's a little too high. Go to the open. Or right here. Look, it's right here. We already dropped 120 pips. We do want to see a little pullback to continue moving further down, right? You want to have your target created. Hey, look, what's good? Yeah, pretty good, man. What about you, Big Mac? You do see price is slowing down. It's slowing down. It's on the edge to reverse, like for real. On the edge to reverse. Or it could just tap 1800 flat. Tap inside 1800 flat and then just say goodbye everyone and just fly up. Like the last tip of the rocket being there. Gold forms a very strong support expected in the New York and we push all the way up. Yeah, that's John, that's gonna be perfect. Yeah, I would look for buys personally on gold as well. I would look for buys. Go up back towards that, like that 1830, 32 where resistance is at. For the people that are already in buys, should be good. Everyone still has opportunity to get in. This is the lowest point you're gonna, well, not the lowest point, but this is currently one of the lowest points. The lowest point is 1802 flat. It's 1802.8 right now, so that's very low compared to the pips you're able to get in this trade, because if you swing this all the way up, you're able to get a lot of pips. You get me? So, what do you think of what time 1800 flight is based on? High time? Yeah, high time frame structure. We're in bullish momentum right now. With this bearish momentum, we're going back up. Higher time frame pullback. So, also based on the weekly, what AJ said before, that we're pushing down on the daily, making a bottom wick. So there's a probability that we can continue moving up even towards 1906. But it makes sense to pull back because you see these candles aren't that strong yet after this very strong bearish candle. So this candle could, you know, tap in a little deeper than expected, grab volume, grab liquidity, and maybe even close bearish or doing the actual pull up towards 1907, because then we're having a new support created. At the end of the day, I'm bullish right now. So let's see. On the daily as well, we're coming up to a very strong daily support. 1800 is a psychological level where you have to look out for. Don't want to be selling into this zone. Not smart. Want to be selling below the zone. So if we break through, create a target, then go back up and then take sells. You don't want to be the first push most of the time. How are you feeling? Still the same, man. Personally, I'm feeling very good. High energy, but a little bit of pain. Especially when I keep on talking. Now for the people that are selling, I don't want to talk you out of your trade. Look what your own points are, look at what your own possibilities are for price to continue moving further down. It needs to make sense to you. My plan might not make sense to you, your plan might not make sense to me, so everyone has a different strategy, everyone looks different at the markets. Personal for me, it's a bullish. But how long is it gonna take? Do not know yet. But you do see, like, the initial push, you see this happen over and over again, right? If you go to all these time frames, you see the initial push coming down here and price died down, right? Initial push coming down, price died down, and most of the times you're going to see good reversal as well, like here. Like you have this initial push coming up, small consolidation, grabbing liquidity probably, push up, initial push, and then prices. You see it also in the trend, right? If you really compare it in line wise, the trend is like going straight up. Like there's not a trend line. The trend is going straight up, right? And what you see happening here is that you see price really rolling over a little bit, right? You see the higher highs are getting not being that high at the end of the day. So you see the higher high is high right here, new higher high, high, higher high, lower, 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 weaker, weaker, and then the initial drop down, right? So that's what we're trying to do here on gold, but vice versa. This is the sell. This is where we are right now. If we turn this chart around, this is where we are right now, and we expect the price to pull back all the way towards 1832. But let's see. Might do, it might not do. It's all based on probabilities, right? What are you looking for? I see bearish momentum dying down, and we're coming up to a psychological level, 1800 flat. We do need to respect these lows right here in order to continue moving up. But let's see. PJ wise, I think it broke the low of hands. Yeah, hands, be careful, man. Be careful. You need to have your stops above the current high right here. I mean, the 5-minute closed pretty well, Hans. I don't know if you're already in. Let me know. Stop loss should have been around 16 pips, around that. Target is around 16 pips as well. Make sure to go to break even as fast as possible. This is what you see playing. It's at a low, people are getting caught, but the 5-minute close varies very well what I mean. So there's an issue to make a fake out. If you see this resistance created, support created, price push back up and close back inside this small 5-minute range. So, should be good, but go to break even as fast as possible when you're in profit. And at the end of the day, follow your own plan. I can say stuff, but you need to follow your own plan at the end of the day. Yes, that makes sense. Yeah. I was just questioning yourself, why did price stop there? Price is the reason to stop. If you go left, already see where price stopped there. Most recent resistance, support coming up when we're going down. There were no other supports and resistances rather than this one. Your bias on GJ. Right now we're going down. We broke the monthly support, which is very crucial. Very, very crucial. Broke the lows. The problem right now though is that you're going to be selling the low. So what I said before, wait for a pullback. The pullback happened, but the pullback wasn't that nice. What I personally would wait for is a pullback to 151.6. What I said before, 151.6 ish. That was that daily, most recent daily support to the left that we're going to on that level when going down. Right here, 7. Matter. Tap against it. Let's see if we can create a 5-minute resistance and then continue moving down on the lower time frames. Because that's a crucial level, 151 again. Just as gold is 1800, psychological level. See a lot of taps inside that zone. And so in USD CAD. Well, good luck. Good luck. I can look at it in a second. I don't know if anyone can spot a 4-hour bullish OB on 100% right. Still learning about order blocks. Let me take a look, John. That's correct. That's correct. Right here. Correct. This level right here. And the nice thing about it, John, is that we haven't retested it yet. So we could see bullish upside potential very soon. And I wouldn't be holding it that long. I would be still taking profit on 151 flat if I was able to do that. But that's a very good call, John. Very, very good. Maybe on the lower time frames you can see if it already retapped into that zone. 3-hour, it's strong. The 2-hour, there isn't actually. Yeah, that's a very good order block right here. That's a very good one. This could be the reversal point. 5-hour isn't that strong. 5-hour we're already tapping into right now. Like the 5-hour we already tapped into. I saw something, I did see something on the 12-hour. 6-hour is very, very well. I would personally only take them when we tap 240. Let's say 250. 250, tap 250 based on the 4-hour. Tap 250, take buys. And don't take it because I just said it. On your own responsibility. But I find that a pretty good spot. Because that's what I started looking at a little bit was like, I see order blocks in different time frames, but what if I get all those order blocks in one? What's the most obvious point where the block is actually sitting, right? What's the middle point of the block? The 5 hours a little higher, 6 hours a little lower again. I think on the 12 hour there is one as well. 11 hour there's one around 280, 288. 12 hour there's lower one right here. So if you look at the average order block spot, I think that should be pretty good. So
we're also going inside a weekly order block.
Oh yeah, I see you. Yep. Yeah, I would just be waiting here. Wait. I mean, Simon. Are you, I mean, oh, not Simon. Ants, are you still in buy sells or? I'd like to know what you did. Tapping away from the support now. You still looking on trades on the DAX? Yeah, I'm waiting a little bit on the DAX. What I said before, I want to see this pull back. It's pulling back very nicely now. I want to take buys on the DAX. Not very sure when I want to take buys yet. I do want to see like a full-on pullback towards like 150 flat right here. Like right here-ish. I just want to see it go down. We're all-time high, so I'm not really looking into anything because beyond 158.12 is nothing. There is no recent data. So. Papa boy. Does it look all good? Yeah, fine. USD CAD. Nice. USD CAD in a second. Any new trade on gold? Potential buys. Potential buys is all I'm gonna say. You can enter whenever you like to enter. You're at the low right now. It seems like there's no bearish momentum right now. We're dying down a little bit. So we could expect a little pullback or a pullback towards even 1832. Personally, what I said before, I am not in. I already took a trade on gold. You see 30-minute, previous 30-minute just closed weak, rejecting bearish momentum. Probably look on the 15, bearish momentum is dying down, so respecting 18025. And 1 hour respected the low, 18018.9. So depends on what you want to do. A lot of people are on USD CAD, I think. Yeah, let's take a look on the DAX for a moment. Let's take a look on the DAX. And this is the reason why I want to see you pull back. Look at the monthly time frame. We've been pushing up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. You see on the monthly time frame, volume candle, dead candle, a little bit of volume, dead candle. A little movement down. Mitchell Calado, thank you, Luke, for doing this. Oh, thank you for joining, man. Thank you for being here. I appreciate that. Yeah, I want to see it pull back very strongly, especially in the weekly. I think 14,950 should be good around this zone, and maybe even what would even be better is pulling back to 14,086.6. I appreciate you. I appreciate you too. Yeah, I want to see a pullback. Good pullback, and then and some nice buys. Nice buys. We're pushing up on the DAX, so full on momentum. This thing actually, this is like a wild bull. Like the way this moves, absolutely mad. I wanna. Ricardo, you in there? Man like Max. I think he's busy. He trades a lot of DAX. A lot. And to be honest, because of him, I started trading DAX as well. Yeah. Between those lines, between this zone pullback, and start looking for buys slowly. There are already some points where you can say, hey, I see a couple order blocks sitting. Like right here on the 12 hour is an order block. Where we could take a pull away from. A little pull back up. Yeah, there's also a 6 hour order block right here. Probably in the 4 hour we're gonna spot one. Yeah, it's ugly order block though. It's not strong enough. We want it to be twice as big as the candle that's getting engulfed. On the 6 hour it's good. 12 hour it's good, but I do want to see some more time frames resonating with that block. Could be a potential order block, but I want to see some more resonation in that block. Gold is slowly going up, so for the people that are buying right now, well done.
Hey Luke, I have a quick question.
Sure thing, sure thing.
If you switch your time frame, the chart is on the same place. Is this a setting or?
Oh, you mean like this?
Yeah. So the chart is on the same place.
Oh, I don't. Is it different for you? Does it change for you? I think it should be the same, right?
If I go in the chart to more left and then choose a time and then switch the time frame, the chart is going to the beginning.
Oh, back to the beginning again.
Yeah.
How did you do that again? I think it depends on how far away you are. If I am here, I go to the 5 hour. Oh yeah, it's the same. It does move though because of the lower time frames. It depends. Like from what time frame do you flip? Like
okay.
if you go from like the 2 hour, from like the daily to the 1 minute, and as example.
Yeah.
then it's gonna do that.
All right, thank you.
I think it's a line.
Yeah.
How you do that? It's like the same on MetaTrader. You have like one of those shift and from the chart to the right border, and then yeah, I think there's a setting I think that you need to click on. I don't know exactly which one it is.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, no problem, man. No problem. If I find it, I'll let you know. Yeah.
Thanks.
Skill placement. I think it's auto. If you maybe click here on auto, yes. If you go to skills placement, I think if you go to auto, click on auto, it should be good.
Thank you.
No problem, man. I hope it's fixed. Yes, Ian, Frank. A lot of orders. There's a lot of money sitting on those blocks, and you probably know where price is going. Price is going to the money. Markets are moving towards money. The time is different from my MT4 time. It's kind of confusing. The same. My time on the MT5 is wrong as well. It's really confusing sometimes. I'm like, where the hell did I take my trade? On gold though, if you took buys, you should be good. Like said, 1803 flat, even a little bit further down. 1803 flat. If you took buys, you should be up like 6 pips now. Yeah, so much possibilities to get in. I would personally have stops right here, 1801. I'm not getting in myself because I already took one trade on gold, and I do think it's gonna reverse towards at least 18010, 18016, and probably even up towards like 1832. But I just want to be a little bit more precise with my second trade. So Monday, at the end of the day, I already made over 1% profit, so I don't want to be risking that. At the Monday, you gotta be just so grateful for what a Monday is gonna give you. So don't overtrade, don't over risk. Lucas, can anyone advise me on whether market fluidity is worth it? Well, it depends on what you're looking for, right? Just gotta know what you're looking for. What are you looking for? Are you want to learn how to trade? Are you gonna want to learn how market structure works, or you want to, be fully personally mentored, or do you want to? What do you want? Like, what are you looking for personally? That's a big question a lot of people don't ask themselves when they're getting into mentorships and stuff. They get their mentorship and they're like, oh, hey, this guy's gonna bring me to the top. No, that's not how it works. You gotta put in all the work yourself. I want Luke to be my mentor. I'm not a mentor. Thank you, Luke, for your insight. We appreciate it. Perfect man, Eric. Thank you for being here. Is the market crashing everywhere? Is red? Yeah, there's a lot of red right now. I'm looking for a mentorship, but I want some actual personal help. I'm afraid that there might be too many people in market fluidity for that. Hope I'm wrong. Yeah, you're looking for personal mentorship, one-on-ones. It's gonna be hard, man, in this type of industry. You gotta find someone that's it's not that popular and is actually very good at trading. And you gotta understand that if you go for personal mentorship, it's gonna probably be a lot more expensive than a group you're gonna be in. A group might cost you 500 to 1,000, but personal level might even be more expensive. But some people like personal stuff, and I too. I like personal mentorship too. But what I advise for people that get into mentorships or get into communities or get into certain groups, I advise you to put in the work. If you show up every single day, I did the same. I showed up. I went into market fluidity. I showed up every single day. Every single day I was sending my chart. Every day I was sending my results. Every day I was asking questions. Every day I was, looking at how I could have, become better. And I'm not good. I'm okay. I'm not at the level, far from the level I want to be at. I'm not some wizard or whatever the fuck you expect me to be. I'm just on the level where I want to be right now, and I'm slowly growing into the person I want to become. And for me personally, what I was able to do in market fluidity took my level of chart work to the next level. So looking at certain zones, looking at market structure, looking at candlesticks, looking at the current price made me more aware of what's going on right now. And now I'm trying to go to the next level right now. Like, I'm not at the next level right now. I want to go to the next level. I'm now I know most of the basics, all the basics I know, and now I want to go towards the like what AJ is learning right now, to those more in-depth how do you call that? How do you call that? Like in-depth strategies. you know, and it's all fine. Like, but I advise you, if you go into a group, what I did myself is I did everything that was possible to get into contact with the person that was going to learn you, and that's why by sending like in market fluidity, there's a lot of people in market fluidity, right? And these people, they don't do shit. Like, it sounds hard, but they don't do shit. They don't go out there, send, as an example, Raquel, every day your chart. They don't do that. They don't send it every day. They don't send their results every day. Like, I had days where last year where I lost a fuck ton of money sometimes in the day for what I was doing at that time. And I still have to send it. How embarrassing it is. You still have to send it. So if you do that every day, you're getting better. You're getting better. And I'm far from, like a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, but this and this and that. I'm far from where I want to be. Like, I'm not some guru or whatever the fuck you expect me to be, right? But that's...
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, man.
What you mean? What you talking about? You're my guru.
You're underrating yourself, man.
No, I'm not underrating myself. It's just being humble.
You're my guru, Luke.
You're my guru.
No. But I got buys in at 1802.
Nice.
But I'm still on drawdown.
So good. I mean, if you can cover the on a first push up.
Yeah.
It'd be Gucci. Now with the target you have.
My target's up here.
All the way up.
37.
You already have your sell limits placed.
Yep.
Really?
Yeah.
You're going ham.
I got limits at 37, and then I got limits at 58.
58 as well, shit. Yeah, I was already looking at 60, 58 to also do limits for fun for one time. To get into the sell limits.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, do you have notifications on as well if they get hit, or?
Yeah, you get notified when it's placed.
Mm.
From Tradingview or from MetaTrader.
Oh, okay. Might look into that. That should be good. Mm. Are you gonna trade the New York from now on? I still trade London session. I do the London session and then I do New York.
Mm-hmm. Luke.
Luke is the guru of all ladies. You know it. Oh, days. But you decided to drop some bombs on gold in 1802.
Yeah. No, I'll tell you exactly all my positions. I have one position at 1811.90. I have another position at 1811.20. And then I have another position at 1805. And then I have another one at 1803. And then I have three positions at 1802, 11, 60, and 90. Those are my
11. Okay.
So I have,
but you're not that deep in drawdown then.
no, I have 4 positions in profit, 3 positions in drawdown.
Yeah, you should be good. Are they the same size? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I scaled in my position, so I have 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5.
Oh damn.
Yeah.
Man's trying to make bank.
The man is a bank.
He literally is.
For himself.
But the banks are sometimes broke.
That's so true, though.
Yeah, it's a truth.
They got no money. They got no money in the vault.
The only reason they have money is because you put your money in and they can divide it.
Yeah.
Well, multiply it. I mean.
Oh, see, you got all the time frames up there now.
Of course.
Ah, I
Of
see you.
course. Of course.
Why are you on the 2 hour though?
Because I was looking a little bit.
This guy.
Yeah, I wanted to buy 1803, 1802, 7, but I didn't do it. I was like, I already made good percentage today, so.
Yeah, this is something right here. This is sell side.
Yeah, so I look good.
We had a run at it. So price can tap somewhere here if it wants to, and then it's gonna.
You're gonna get more orders, you know.
Oh yeah, you know. But if it breaks 1790, that's when I'm cutting everything.
90.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
That'll mean it's like breaking structure to the downside, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
So that's when I'm gonna be like, all right, and then I won't take any trades. Then I'll wait for the retest back to 1790, and then take the sells back down.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're
But as
gonna
long
make
as
money anyways.
as long as this is respected, as long as this area is respected, we should start going up.
Yeah, I was like, if it taps 1800 flat, I'm gonna take a buy. I was really thinking about 18027. Would have been in good profits now though, but all good.
Kiran
Like
Kumar Linga, positions from 1811 without a stop loss, so confident that it would go up, and it didn't go up. Pay attention, people. Yeah, I scaled in. I don't have full positions up here, so, and I knew price has a potential to go down. I just, scaled in. It's the same position that I'm gonna usually put in, and just scaled in.
Dynamic risk.
So confident that it'll go up? No, I'm not confident. It is what it is. That's what my analysis is, right? If it breaks 1790, that's when I'm gonna take a loss. So it's fine. I manage my risk based on 1790. Very simple.
That's pretty much a stop loss.
Luke, your laugh is contagious.
Nice.
That's what somebody's saying in the chat.
Oh really?
My TP is for the buys. My TP is for the buys 1837.
God damn. I was really deciding if I'm gonna buy like that 18027-ish. Right here, it was.
Yeah.
Could have done it, but it's all Gucci. Already
Gold sells 1787. Whoa. I mean, you want to sell that 1787? Where is Sasha? She's running away from you, bro.
Yeah. Oh shit. God damn.
1787 TP. Yeah, it could happen. But just keep in mind that we've been selling from here for how long? Right? We need at least, if this wants to continue going down, we need at least a pullback to somewhere over here. Right? To pull back to here,
Yeah,
to
this
then
level.
continue coming back down. Right? Yeah, selling at 1787 would be a mistake. Yeah, hell yeah, for sure. 1787 is somewhere down here. Yeah, selling there.
Selling from there is a low.
Yeah, selling now is the low too.
Yeah. Coming back. Like, hey Luke, you wanna get in?
What, you want to get in buys?
Yeah. I was already thinking 18027 it was on, like, and I was like, I had my finger on the trigger, and I was like, I'm gonna do it.
I will buy 10 lots at 1777. 1777 is a far away.
Yeah, it's really far away.
Just worry about where price is at right now.
What trades do you take today? I had to buy at 1805.4. I closed it at 1806.4.
Oh, so you got 10 pips?
Yeah.
Made it in
9.3 pips.
Whatever, made $100.
Yeah, around that.
That's what's
Commission
up.
off.
That's
Commission
what's
is,
up.
yeah, man.
Luke, shut up. You are our guru. That's how the ladies come up to Luke. Hey, Luke,
Hey.
want to get it in?
Oh, what? Yeah, it's like dollar-wise, it's like $90 around that.
Dude, do you understand how much $90 is a day? If you do $90 a day, that's almost $500 a week.
Yeah.
That's almost $2,000 a month.
Yeah.
Right? If you have a $5,000 account, that's almost 50%.
Yep. A lot. I'm going.
Sell gold to AJ stop loss. Yeah, go ahead. Go,
Good luck.
No, the thing is, the people don't understand is that I do take losses. It's fine.
Yeah,
Like,
everyone
it's not a
takes
big
losses.
deal. It's not a
That's the
big
thing,
deal.
yeah.
Like, it's really not a big deal.
Everyone takes losses. Even the best one take losses. If you don't take losses, you're not gonna get a grader anyways.
Is there any chance of gold going up? If it wants to go up, it should respect this level. Alright, it should respect this area to start going up. If it wants to go up.
I was like, it was coming up somewhere like right here in this zone, tapping into this zone. So I took a small buy, and then if I was right at that support right here to the left, and close it again. The only losses Luke has is when he tells the ladies to leave him alone. Yeah, but then they're not losses, right? Only when they say that I need to go away. But that never happens. Outrageous. No, I joke. Nah. They always come up to me. I never go, I never actually had to. No, let's see. No, so yeah, let's see. It's tapping into, it needs to tap into that 250. That's an order block here on the 4 hour. What Pete said, John Pete. If it taps into that, you should have buying potential coming up. It's already tapping on the higher time frame order blocks right here. There's one here on the higher time frames as well. But let's see what it can do.
The first buy, how many pips did that give?
What?
Like the first tap, how many pips did it give?
Right here.
Yeah.
At 323, it gave you. That's the top of the zone. The top of the zone, top of the order block. 61 pips.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll just be careful because, like I said, like usually the second time or the third time that it comes back down to the same order block, the chances of it being respected is unlikely, right?
Yeah.
So just keep that in mind, right?
Yep. This is sort of the order block. It just tapped the top side of it. Like it didn't really go into like the body of the order block.
Oh, the candle, yeah.
Yeah.
But like you said, on the higher time frames, it hit, right?
Yeah, there's one on the 12, 10 hour. Let me see, maybe 11 hour. Yeah, in the 11 hour, it already tapped
Exactly.
Tapped a little bit inside it.
There you go.
Yeah, just tapped inside like the 6 and the 12 and then the 12 hour. Man, like Lucas, Lady Magda.
Do you take 2 pills of ibuprofen or no?
No, not yet. I'm still not yet. Probably
Oh,
after the
man.
stream. Gonna do it.
No, do it during the stream, bro.
I already took one. Like
No, take another one during the stream. I want to see how you act.
What do you think about ibuprofen?
Ibuprofen is good, but 600 is weak sauce.
It's weak?
Yeah, weak sauce.
What do you advise someone to take?
Not ibuprofen.
What then?
Take
Straight
some
morphine.
oxycodone.
What?
Some oxy.
What's that?
Oxycodone.
How do you type
It's a
that?
strong painkiller.
Oxycodone.
Yep.
Is it way stronger than
Yeah, it's a different level.
You take that too if you're
It's an opioid. So
do you take that if you have like
no, you take it even if you don't have anything.
My god. Oxycodone versus no, bro, just smoke broccoli when and veins up. Stick with ecstasy. I mean, it's common here. The Netherlands is one of the biggest. Oxy is the most addictive drug ever. I don't know what the hell oxy is.
Yeah, it's pretty addictive.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oxy is addictive as hell. It's part of
I
the
see. It's-
opioid family, so opioids are addictive as hell. So there's very constrictive on when they prescribe those type of pills because people do get addicted on them.
Like right away.
And every person is different.
Mm. Just take some mushrooms, Luke. You forget that you have teeth.
Take some LSD.
Yeah, you forget that you have teeth. What teeth? What do you mean, man?
I don't know. I haven't taken LSD, but everybody that has taken LSD says that you have to take LSD at least once in your life.
I'm not like I've never taken any drugs.
Bullshit. You're taking drugs right now.
Yeah, ibuprofen is sort of.
Medicines are drugs.
Yeah, true. But like real drugs that make you feel different.
You haven't taken marijuana?
No.
Bullshit.
Come on, you live in Netherlands and you've never tried it.
Bullshit.
How much you want to bet?
I call straight bullshit. There's nothing I can bet on because they're probably out of your system already.
Oh. Like I held the joint. I've never did it.
Bullshit.
No,
Bullshit. I call
pinky
straight
swear,
bullshit.
fam. Pinky
I
swear.
straight bullshit.
Never did this.
Bullshit.
Never.
Everybody in the lounge or in the gulag, whatever you want to call it, is gonna call bullshit on that shit too.
You think so?
Yeah. There's no way. There's no way, bro. How old are you?
I'm 22.
You've never had a joint.
Nope.
Bullshit.
I believe you, Luke.
Never, man.
I don't believe you, Luke.
We're gonna do one in the chat. Yes or no? Have I ever done it? Yes or no? Ask your community. Let's do it.
You should do a poll on your Instagram, man.
AJ, I never had THC until I was in my 40s. So,
well, there you go.
Yeah, I live in the Netherlands, so that's
he lives
different.
in Netherlands.
I live
Come
in
on.
the Netherlands. That's different.
That's like having coffee in the UK.
I mean, I went to the coffee shop many times to get weed, but I never smoked them myself.
So what do you do? Resell it or
some
what?
brownies.
Now he's calling it something. No, I didn't resell.
You didn't smoke it, maybe you ate it.
Oh, I didn't. No, I didn't eat it too. I didn't. No, never eat THC.
Bro, just we should not meet up then.
What?
We should not meet up. Because the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make you smoke.
Yeah, it's like I had a lot of people around me that smoke, also cigarettes, everything. And I was never like, pass me that thing, right?
All right. All right. Can we go back to doing some analysis, please?
Have you done do you drink like based on
Me?
your religion?
I don't drink. No.
Okay, only
Only
smoke.
hash.
Only hash, yeah.
Don't do drugs. Stay in school, people.
Fuck school.
How to do drugs?
What? What?
To do drugs. You said fuck school.
Oh man. Oh, you're also
Go,
Emirate never did a joint either. Also from the Netherlands. Okay.
So I have a theory that when things are exposed to you, that it's like a normal thing. You don't feel like you want to do it.
Yeah, probably. Like people around me did it, and I was never like, "Hey, pass me that thing," right? I was me. It's like just when someone stands next to me smoking, I'm not looking. What? What?
Somebody's typing like. I was like, he was like, school is where the drugs are at. I was like, yeah, that's actually really true.
That's true, 100%.
That's so true.
The thing is, when people are next to me, they're smoking and that, I don't look weird or anything. It's just normal. It's normal here. It's normal, but it's not like there's never like a need in my body that's like, hey man, let me try that thing. Like there's never the question, like, I don't know.
Let's go, gold. Come on, go up.
Up.
Time to wake up.
Yeah, let's see.
Gold's gonna finesse some people right now.
50% be saying I'm lying.
Because you are.
Who knows?
Exactly, you're lying, motherfucker.
No, I'm not.
Trying to act all innocent online and shit.
I'm gonna be lying if I said I got an 18027.
You got it?
No. No.
I mean, I'm still in.
Nice.
I'm still in.
Did give it a new tap at this candle to 18032.
Yeah.
His mom watches stream, so maybe he's lying. No, no, I never did it. Never.
All right, I'm back in profit finally.
Boy, oh shit, that was a 10-pip push in a second.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I'm back in profit. Whoever set sell to AJ stop loss. Y'all gonna hit y'all. I'm gonna take y'all stop loss.
That's what I was gonna say.
Margin call. Yo, where's the money at? Only already to this level is already 50, 100. There's a lot of upside potential.
Exactly. And like I said, if you go to the weekly, Luke, you have to keep in mind that this is Monday.
Monday.
This happened on a Monday.
Yep.
So Monday,
Whew.
and
Feel
then
the
the
wick.
rest of the week, you got the rest of the week,
Feel the wick.
right? Come
Yeah.
on now. Come on now.
Look at that one candle, 5 minutes. Look at the 5. Boy.
Yeah, boy, stop playing with me. I'm in profits.
Yep.
Like I said, selling down here, no.
Mm. Yeah, I'll find a good entry tomorrow. I'm gold.
I had buys from Asian session.
Oh man, not here. Buys from Asian session. Oh shit. Yeah, because that's where 1810 was. 1811.
Literally, as soon as market opened, I was like, you know what? Yeah, this is gonna go up.
Let me buy this bullshit.
And it went like this. It's like, no, AJ, not today. Not every time. Win.
I mean, if we tap one more time, 1802, I'm gonna take a buy. We're gonna go to this level.
We need a break. We need to break this. That's what we need to break. I'm a 5 minute. We're getting into volume time now. This is New York Open is in half an hour as well. So
Yep. I could have like risked some of my profits, but at the end of the day, it's Monday. I made over 1%, so should also be
you made
humble.
over 1%. That's insane.
What?
That's sick.
That's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
So I was like, I need to be humble. Be humble.
Yeah, but you could have held for some more. You could have held for some more profits.
Yeah. But the thing was, it went up 10 pips. I got out and it dropped back down.
And you should have got in on the bottom.
Yeah, could have. But then I was re-risking the profits I made again.
So what? Just profits.
Yeah, that's true.
Hey everybody, how are you?
Very
There
good,
we
Sasha.
go.
How are
There
you?
we go. The gulag was
I'm
looking for
good,
you.
I'm good. I'm holding my buys since last 5 hours, and when I heard you saying that if it's going back to that 1802, I'm taking buys. I'm like, that's not fair. You're gonna take a buy and last 5 hours.
Oh god.
Yes, I'm holding buys from Asian session, guys. I've said it. As soon as market open, I've had buys from here. I had buys here. I had buys at 1805, 1804, and then I have a bunch of buys down here. So I'm overall in profit right now.
Overall profit, perfect. What's your entry, AJ?
Oh, you just said that.
I have, yeah, I
I
have
missed
three
it.
positions. I have three positions. Actually, 4 positions at 1802, 1802.11, 1802.63, 1802.90, and 1802.95. And then I have 1 position at 1805.01, and then I have 2 positions at 1811.
2 position at 11. Okay. I think everything is gonna be fine because we're going hopefully higher than that. You're gonna be way more in profit when we
I
reach
said it.
18 or 11.
I said it too in the beginning of the session. Everyone that wants to buy right now. 1803, 1802, it was at buy right now. So the people that did buy should be good. Already explained why.
Yeah,
I
at
did
least
buy.
30 pips.
At least 30
Right?
pips.
But I'm swinging this. I'm swinging this all the way to 37.
You're holding that thing.
Yes. That's the
Yes.
plan.
Give me an 1802 tap. I'll create
I'm gonna hate you for that. No. My lowest entry is 1802.68. That's my lowest that I have.
Yes,
And then I have another one, 1803.3. That's I've been holding since a long
Oh
time.
yeah, that's I can imagine that.
18 what?
1803.3. It's been hitting for so long. I was like,
I have a 1803.95.
okay, yeah.
Yeah, 1803.3, and I'm sitting on this like 5 hours. I'm like, okay, do everything else.
My lowest one is 1802.11. That's my lowest.
No, wow, check out your confidence.
Mad. Crazy.
Bro, it makes sense when you know the markets. Like, you know the markets. What they do is usually Monday, Tuesday is usually the fake out days, and then Wednesday is usually the reversal day, and then Thursday, Friday is the actual move.
Yeah, I talked about this with Max as well, Ricardo. He
Yeah.
has the same vision on that. Don't know, he's in there.
So this whole push down, is enticing sellers to get in, expecting this to continue going down the rest of the week. This is only a Monday. This is only Monday, guys. So you really think it's gonna keep going down the rest of the week? Nope. I'm up 64 pips right now.
Let it go. Let it go.
What you mean? All the burn accounts? Why it's going up right now? Blowing accounts.
Sasha, can you talk to the charts?
I'm talking to the charts. Let it go, please. Enough.
Oh man, my jaw, man. Mad.
Oh man.
Quick reaction to that OP on PJ Luke. Yeah, that was already one time. It needs to tap down a little further. I don't know if because what AJ said before, it already tapped into it one time, pulled up 60 pips.
Dude, 60 pips on a one lot, that's $600.
Yep. If I got in here on a one lot at 1803, that would have been 300 and what dollars. I don't give a shit though. I'm Gucci.
Oh, how many times are you gonna say you're Gucci until you actually go in?
Well, 1802 hit. I'll get in. Sasha.
Yes, sir.
1802. Joke. It's a joke.
I'm not gonna let that happen. I'm not gonna let that happen.
They're just calling AJ privately. Drop more lots. We need to go up. Oh damn. It's going down as well. Oh man. This has already got retested this level. Depending on the higher time frames, 4 hour. Same thing. Yeah, just wait for this to pull back and maybe retest the low. Just tapped into the order block one more time. Let's see if we can get inside it. That's the thing. If we get inside, we could tap inside at 250. Hmm. 15 pips and calling, very nice. How many times say be mad? A lot of times. A lot of times, to be honest. Love Luke, he's the only one that talks when things are going in drawn. Yeah. I'm not in a position, so I'm not in a drawdown right now. That just tapped into the middle of the order block. Let's see if it can respect it twice, because you gotta understand that it already got respected once. Oh man, my teeth hurt so much. Let's see if we can respect it twice. This was the initial actual buys from that level. If you pull it up a little bit, go to the wick. This is actually from the wick, so it already pretty much tapped inside. This is the, really look at the order block, this is the actual order block. So it already tapped inside it once. This is the body of the order block. The wick is already right here, so it already made a 60 pip move on it. So let's see.
Got in.
If you did trust it. What?
I got in, GJ.
Nice. Just now.
Fuck it.
Did fuck it?
2 pips.
See? Savage.
3 was at 150, 244.
2 point. Damn. Fucking low. Boy. You violated GJ right there.
Hopefully. I think it keeps going up. Let's see.
There you go.
4 pips.
Yep. I'm deciding.
Nah, I don't know how people do this.
What?
They trade 2 pairs at the exact same time. I don't know how to do it. Like, I'm like switching back and forth.
You're still in?
I'm still in gold.
GJ.
GJ, I'm still in. I'm contemplating this closing day just because I want to focus on gold.
Yeah, you're in profit right now.
Yeah, on GJ, yeah.
Holding it. Back up 40 now.
Contemplating.
Hmm?
I'm contemplating.
Yeah, let's see. Still deciding whether to get in or not.
What are you waiting for?
Hmm?
What are you waiting for?
I don't know.
I don't know what else.
Yeah, I think it should be good, man. DJ. You going just for 10 pips or?
Sure. I'll hold for 10 pips. I want 4 pips now.
Yeah, it should be good. Look at the one. Second tap inside. There you go. Let's see if we can reject that.
It's a 4-hour zone, right?
Yeah, like a lot of level zones. Look at the 4-hour.
Sure.
That's pretty good, right?
I mean, me personally, I don't like how the wicks are, but
No.
it could have some type of reaction. I just don't like the wicks on the floor.
Playing with fire. It depends on what you know and what you not know. Ooh. Should I take a little entry on gold?
I would be careful.
Yeah. Oh, that one's
Go on, Luke. Go on. Come with us.
Yeah, I'm being careful today. Oh, my jaw
You made
hurts a
your profit.
lot. What?
Run away.
What?
So you made your profits. Run away.
Yeah? Did I?
You're happy with it.
Hmm.
Oh shit.
Woo! Did you see that? 1802 tap! You know, should've did it.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
It's just funny, man. I just love watching stuff like this.
I didn't say 1802.
I told ya. Oh, yeah.
1802 flat hit. Oh man, if I got my entry right here, I was like, you said, AJ, you're like, I was just taking profit and run away. I'm like, if you're happy with it, I'm like, yeah, true. And 1802, bang! I was like, no!
I mean, it's not that much. It's only like 3 pips.
So it went up 10 pips.
Yeah, you know in your ass you would have closed.
What?
You would have closed
10
at
pips?
10 pips.
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah. Well, there's
All right,
such an
there you go.
opportunity.
Come on.
To do it?
I wouldn't.
You wouldn't.
Yeah. Because this is probably
Yes.
gonna come down here.
Yeah.
Then.
That would have been a quick 10 pips. If I'm gonna do, I'm definitely not dropping a one lot. Should I?
Drop whatever you want.
See, GJ is still on the way down. Impatient. Look at that move down. Mad.
Look at the move up though.
Yeah.
It's another 10 pips you could have got.
What?
So that's another 10 pips you could have got.
Oh, it is what it is. Coulda, would've. So. Wait. I mean, just giving new opportunities to get in low. Yeah, I'm be careful right now. Price is just crazy.
You got New York open,
Yeah.
so
Jerry, tempting. Oh yeah, 100%. Tempting. 2 more positions at 1802. Fucking hell, savage. Yeah, I even went below 1802. Crazy. There you go. 1802 again.
yeah, like I said, guys, just be careful because this is probably gonna come down a little bit more, so that NYSC can get a good entry.
Yeah, you think so?
Probably. But I already got a bunch of positions in, so
Yeah, you're already good. Oh my days. Look, when the last time you've been to red light district? Never went there, man. Getting nasty. Disgusting. Gracious, you don't know. You know I don't have to go there. That's a joke. Okay, do one more tap. Let's see. Fucking hell. I'm good. Oh shit. I'm gonna do a poll. I should wait. Who is in gold buys? Gold buys.
Because if you look at the 30-minute, you have like a triple bottom. They have to whip the slows.
Yeah.
Go below the slows, take everybody, and then go higher.
Let's see how many people are in gold buys. Ooh, a lot of people aren't in. 50% is and isn't.
That's good. They're not taking trades blind. That's good.
Yeah. $18.03, $18.07. Oh, okay. Boy.
Looks bearish to me. Yeah. Could be bearish. Guys, don't be surprised with the move down. No, not surprised.
Yeah, there you go.
Still on GJ. I'm just gonna walk away from the charts for a little bit. Making it stressful.
What do you say?
I'm gonna walk away from the charts for a little bit, let the price do whatever it wants to do.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, just wait. It's about to be London Open as well, so I mean New York Open, London Open. But 110 pips on USD can't. Oh damn. Oi, very nice. Well done. It's delicate right now on gold. Gold is coming up to the 1 hour candle low, so let's see. Go ahead, and then go up. Last Thursday's low. 99, okay. Yeah, should happen. It should go up. I am holding this from 5 hours. Oh damn. You gotta be careful, man. You gotta be careful. Don't force anything just because you think it's going up. Coming up to London Open now. I think what could happen is that the 1 hour is going to either push down more or it's going to pull back up. Let's see. W in a 1 minute. That's 1806. Oh, yeah, let's see. I don't know. Right now it's showing some bearish momentum, so the people that are in sells, delicate. Be delicate, especially in this 5 minute. Of course, there's only 2 options. Yes. Breaking 2 hour low right now. This should respect, and if we respect this, we are good. Yeah, there you go. Going down slowly now. 1800 is about to be tapped. Let's see when it's going to reverse. New York Open is about to happen. This level should be respected. If this level doesn't get respected, then the probability of going further down is very, very high. Just be careful. What are these rectangle boxes you created? Supply and demand. So no, there's just support and resistances. Let's see. Yeah, London Open in 2 minutes time. Let's see. Oh, I mean, New York Open. London Open, New York Open. One of the two.
Again.
Be careful. How far can it drop? Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Big question. $30 left for New York Open. I'm already in bias though from 1805. Okay. Okay. Well, who knows what AJ said? This could be also be like a level where price is trying to get, where the New York Open's trying to get a better price. So let's see. Everything could happen in this one. Everything could happen. There you go. The Open right here. Am I looking to buy from here on gold? Well, you could, but it's really it could move down to like low levels for going up, so be very careful. Be careful. Oh, continue down, I think. Oh yeah, let's see. It could do everything right now. It's New York Open, so it could push down, push back up. It could do everything. Everything. Let's see. DE30. DE30 is probably moving as well. Yeah, it's okay. Not that crazy actually. Expected it more to move more. For buyers, yep. People have to be careful. You know you're buying against the trend, so. The 1 hour does not have a top wick yet though, so it could come back down for the people that are in for an exit. But let's see. This is my optimal trade entry. Just gambling on YOLO buys, yeah, pretty much. So be careful. Be careful. I'm not in anything. I already took my trade. Do have a lot of pain right now. I don't know, man. Russian, I don't know. It's delicate. I mean, we could move all the way down towards like 92, so just be careful. Be very careful. I mean, for the people that are buying, there is a probability for this candle to flip, but there's also a probability for this candle to keep on dropping, right? This candle flipping point is 1807. So most people are in 1802, 1803, 1805. It's a big drawdown right there. The trend is down. Why would you anyone buy? Well, a higher time frame trend is up right now. What I advise you to do is, for the people, if it comes back to your entry level, make sure you take some off. We're already a half taking some off, because this could be very nasty. At the moment, it does not seem like we're going back up, other than the 1 hour making the top wick. So the 1 hour makes a top wick. That should maybe be like a small exit point for you. But yeah, be careful. Don't gamble. It'll be very hurtful when you come back sometimes. Now, what I said before, there's a probability for this 1 hour to still make a top wick. You hope that it does. If it does, you could get an exit. See GJ, a lot of people are in GJ on the trend. Makes sense. Candle closed without a top wick. Oh no, yeah, 15 only closed without a top wick. Yeah, let's see.
30 hasn't got a top wick yet.
Yeah, same on gold. Gold just went down without a top wick as well. You're still in gold. Oh, no reaction. Or clap them off the charts. Yeah, be careful, man. People need to be careful. Be careful. Hello. Oh, nice. Gold buy. Yeah, let's see. Could drop to that level, could drop to any level. I'm feeling the gold buyers right now. Still in buys. No, I wasn't in buys. I already bought before. I already took my profit. Now for the people that are in right now, you want this candle to flip. Go back to your entry. Maybe stay in, expect this to be the low, but for the people that are in, most people are in like 1805. Like, you were nearly in 100 pip drawdown, so just please be careful. Please be careful. There's no need to play with yourself. It's a Monday at the end of the day, so Mondays can be very, very dangerous. Be careful. 1 hour is about to start flipping. Said before, this could make a small top wick and start re-dropping again. So just take it easy. Close myself open. Buy it with half of it. Okay, yeah. Okay, nice. Just be careful. Everyone that's taking trades now, just be careful. Please. When it's risky, you'll be fine. Doesn't matter what strategy you use. Yeah, 100%. I agree with that. DJ wise, at that block, I already tapped it before I went up 60 pips, so be careful on that. Just, guys, you have to understand that this is Monday. Look, are you gonna buy? No, nothing. I am playing with fire today. Already played with fire today. But I'm watching out for the people that are in buys, and I advise you to maybe take some off at entry and Be careful. Still in buys. We also took sales. Oh damn. Okay. Hope you made profit on the sales. People be buying and selling at the same time. Okay. Damn. Candle just needs to flip. If it respects that point, it needs to flip. For the people that are in buys. This candle did show some weakness, but we could still retest the low before going up, so doesn't look that great for the people that are in. But I know that a lot of people are in right now, so I'm staying here until I can help them. Just try and close some positions off, try and manage that risk in a way. Minute is trying to close bullish. This could also re-break the low and continue moving. Just playing nasty games right now with people, both sellers and buyers. Short in and out. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, that's what I mean. They had the opportunity. It just came back to nearly the entry point of this 1 hour candle. You just want this 1 hour candle to make a top wick, but as you know, not always does it make one. Or respect this 99.9 level. 5 minute seems like it's showing a little bit of rejection. Oh, that's a pretty strong 5 minute, but that's why I said there's momentum right now in the market, so that volume might push it down. Hopefully, this candle pulls back up and breaks the high to continue moving up, back up again, for a better entry for the New York Open, but I can't reassure you that. I hope for you guys. Thanks, Luke, for the support, but we'll be happy later when it shoots up. Yeah, you'll be happy later when it shoots up. Just gotta wait. I understand those people that are in right now. They're in drawdown. Fucked up. It is what it is. But yeah, I just have to wait. I'm off taking my 1% for the day before I try to do something stupid. Thanks. See you tomorrow. Yes, well done, man. Well done. It's the mindset right there. Looks like the 1 minute's trying to create some sort of support. Just need that 1 hour to flip for most people, because I think most people, like, there's a lot of people in this zone right here. A lot of people in. So if it retaps into that zone, that needs to be your exit. Like, well, not needs to be if you're like, hey, I want to hold this thing and all of that. But I would advise you to try and get out and maybe get in lower again. Because this thing could do a lot, like a lot of damage. Now there's a lot of swing trader people and all of that. They're in. They're still in to go all the way up to 1837, but they can afford this drawdown. What I said before, this 5 minute could break down, and if it breaks this low, there even could be more downside potential coming. A good decision to buy this. Okay. Yeah, for so it's like beast mode. It has to be in your plan, right? If it's in your plan, it'd be good. There's a high chance for this candle to retest the low, so you have to see what this 15-minute candle does. This also could be some sort of fake out. Who knows? Please be careful. Clap on buys. Yeah, a lot of people I think got clapped on buys. There's 36% of the people is in, so. But I think a pull to 1810 should be good. I mean, this volume is coming down right now. There is potential to pull back up to at least 1808, 1810. Yeah, let's see where we're going. Play full highlights. Let's see. I don't know. I mean, I'm in nothing right now. So. Whoever recommended buys is a retard. Well, the thing is, he recommended buys, but you acted up on it, so it's a delicate situation. Yo, what's up? You still in it?
Yep. I told you I'm not getting out until 1790.
Yeah, makes sense.
And just for full transparency, I'm down 30K.
That's okay.
Just saying.
I mean, the 1 hour still doesn't have a top wick.
All right, and this is NYSE. NYSE hasn't opened yet. This is New York.
Yep.
The stuff can happen.
What would you say to the people that are
in buys? If you're over leveraging, right? 30K for me is less than 1%. Well, no, a little bit more, but still.
There's a lot of places we can go right now.
Yep. There is.
I said to the people when it came back up 18.0 something.
Yeah, that was your chance to get out. Yeah. To sell from there if you wanted to sell.
Retesting a low. Said. Well, you probably don't want to know. What price is AJ in from? 11, 1811, 1805, and 1802. Why would you buy when the trend is bearish? Why would you sell the low? At the end of the day. Yeah, but he probably knows what he's doing. I mean, also if you look at his wins are a lot more than the losses that he takes. And then the loss he's gonna take if he hits 1790. He makes way more than that. Not even comparable. Looks low at the moment, but trend is strong. Crash. It won't be a low soon. Yeah, who knows? Who knows? Might push up, might push down. I mean, I'm not in any discussion with anyone. Look, I just rejected a little bit. What trades are you in? I'm in no trade. That's what I said from the beginning already. I'm in nothing. Just watching for you guys. A lot of people are in. I beef up. Damn. At sell limits at 1800. Just gotta be patient and stick to your trading plan. Exactly. You made a nice profit. Very well done. Oh shit. You gotta be careful, Alexander. What are you doing? Why are you risking so much, man? For what? For what? It's playing into news, shoot it up. Yeah, who knows? Well, there's only 4 p.m. That's low news. There's nothing crazy. Let's see where price is gonna push it. Might go down, what AJ said, to 90, and then maybe go up. At the end of the day. To that daily support now. If we break that, we can continue down. There is that 90 level, which he's talking about. So. From the account. I was using 12. Oh damn. Man. If you have a $200 account, why do you risk so much, man? Yeah. This Yago. 12% for a $200 account is a lot. Especially in this drawdown you have. Never trade more than 1%. You can do 2 to 3%. It's rejecting that 96, 97 area. Let's see. Every time I enter position, it goes in profit and reverses. And then I trade the opposite and then reverse it again. I don't know what you're doing then. You gotta be careful, man. Look like 5 minutes, sort of respecting a support. That makes sense. John. Are you in, John? And then Johnny. I sometimes trade with full margin. Oh my god. Better be careful, man. 5 minute open. About to have the 30-minute candle close in 5 minutes. So let's see where price is going to take you all. So I'm 17.97. Okay. Oh, you're good. But you sold low. Why did you sell it so low? Why? I mean, it's going down right now, so you should be good. But I'm just questioning myself why you sold low. Right now, it looks like it's trying to get more bearish momentum in for the current moment. For the sellers, this is heaven. No, but then GJ went up like 10 pips and got to lap that break even. Oh, that's not bad, John. That's not bad. Bull going lower yet. Hopefully I'll you're Gucci. Look like the 5 minutes trying to respect some sort of a support. About to close below though, so it might make a new lower low. Why would you sell it 30k loss? Hold into it reverses. Because it was already his buying zone, Rishan. It was already his buying zone, so from that level you were, is already looking for buys. Along to the news. Oh, that's gonna take a little while. Yeah, my jaw's hurting a lot though. Yeah, sell stock for gold news. What gold news? Why is everyone talking about gold news? There's no gold news. There's only house market index, nothing else. Everyone is talking about news. There's no news. Nothing. Thanks, no people are buying. Oh yeah. Maybe. Who knows? Could be. 30-minute just closed in right now. 15 closed pretty well. That's taken out a lot of people. That just decided to take a push down. 1 hour just doesn't have a topic, doesn't care at all. Yo, AJ. Say you didn't take entry, Luke. Yeah, I did. I bought at 1805.4 and closed at 1806.4.
Was it a one lot, Luke?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's good.
Yes. Thank you.
My boy.
Sasha,
Yes, boss.
you still in it?
One position in, one position break even out. The one at 203, the one at 1802, that's still in.
Okay.
And yeah, 1795.680. So this is the point where I'm looking at it, and if it is going to further down, the next stop would be 1790-ish area, and I'm
91-ish.
gonna come out.
Yeah, makes sense.
Better come out and then maybe see how it goes. But it has broken my 4-hour trend line.
Okay.
And that has not been retested once it was broken. So
Okay,
I
yeah.
am expecting, yeah.
What's your
But
4-hour
still
trend line?
there's my trend line.
Yeah, where is it at?
It has broken from 1807-ish area. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you're expecting price to
Yeah,
at
I
least come
shared
back up
that
to
on.
that level?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. Makes sense.
So it is either going to come back to, because it's a slanting line, so 1813, 1810-ish area should be retested. But
Okay.
in that case, we will be in profit. But the thing is, it should not be going further down to 1790s area. That's what I'm looking
Yeah.
at, because then it's going to be way too many in loss. So better enter sells instead of that. But I'm gonna then take a buy or think how the price action would look like at that point.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
You
at
could also
London,
retest like
sorry, at
1802.5 and then go back down again.
Mhm.
If you look on the 15, that's the
Yeah.
level we dropped from.
Yeah.
Up then and continue moving back down.
That's
see.
true. That's one thing. I was in sales initially when it was Asian Open, but then I closed my sales because only a little tiny partial, so it doesn't matter.
Okay.
But yeah, but then I closed pretty much all of my position when it was at 1805 area, 5 and
Nice.
4, 1804, 1804 mainly.
That makes sense. Yeah,
Yeah.
probably with the stream though, I'm gonna end it. I have a lot of pain in my jaw right now. So for the people that are in, hopefully I could have,
Aw.
yeah,
Mhm.
hopefully I was able to support you. But I'm gonna,
Definitely. So how what's the percentage? Like 50% better? Better than
no,
remember the next
same,
you were
same,
oh
yeah,
yeah.
same. It's very
Me too.
annoying. I actually have to take my next pill in half an hour. So then it
It's
gets,
very nice of you to come over.
Hmm?
It's very nice of you to still come over and do the
Yeah.
stream, you know, you have to do a lot of talking.
yeah, the talk that's getting it worse.
I think it's good that you go ahead and take some rest now.
Yeah. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow
Thank
morning
you,
again.
Luke.
Take
So-
care, Luke.
For the people that still want to participate, go to the live trading lounge on YouTube. The live trading lounge. I put the link up in the chat. YouTube. The live trading lounge.
Thank you, Luke.
No problem.
Thanks, Luke.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Once Luke is gonna get off, see how magically it all goes up. Because it didn't want to give him an entry. That's the whole point.
Luke has
There we
all
go.
the magic. Thank you, Luke. I hope
Thank
you
you,
feel
thank you.
better.